You gonna tell Tyler a story, Luke?
Yeah.
Okay.
One time. More awesome. Flip. Start a book. A big book. And so, big means wow. Big means.
Be easy with them, Luke. Is that all your story is, or you can tell us more?
Okay. There's more. Camp out and camp in awesome bad guy. Awesome bad guy in tent. And they take me in tent. And the main and that's story in tent and so I tell you.
How old are you?
I'm 3.
You're 2. You're gonna be 3 in a couple months?
2.
Yeah, you're 2.
Oh, I bumped him and right there, Tay's head.
Have you seen any lizards?
I'll show you lizards. I'll show you lizards.
Okay. Show me.
Outside.